Hey and welcome back. It's your boy Laxon, and today we're going to be checking out the iPhone 15 Pro in the black color. So if you haven't watched my video of unboxing in the neutral color or even the iPhone 15, do check out the links in the description. I'll leave them for you to check out there. But in this video we're going to check out the 15 Pro in the black color. So this is the box itself. As you can see, we've got the design here, black color. Let me bring some old packaging. So I've got the 14 Pro here, and let's get the 15 here. So this is the 15 Pro, 15 and 14 Pro. So you can see they both go for the black, darker style wallpaper, where the standard 15 have a lighter version, which looks nice as well. Otherwise, as you can see, nothing much have changed. The phone matches, the iPhone text matches the color of the box, so the silver has the silver, both blacks are black. On top is the same, bottom, well, other side, bottom, everything is the same, so nothing much has changed. I do like they have the phone like this. So let's get rid of these two and let's have a look. So let's open this up. Oh, that looks nice. No, that's a nice color. Let's put the phone to the side and see what you get inside. So of course you get a little designed by Apple in California. Inside you have a SIM tray. Only in the US you don't get the SIM tray, as they only use the eSIM variant, but it's nice here in Europe, Canada, you still get your SIM trays. Get some documents, but yeah, and then you get your sticker there. Nice touch of that. Would be nice to start a color matching them. But nope, you'll get the white sticker. Of course, new this year, iPhone 15 series has moved to USB-C, so we get a USB-C cable for the first time. And not just that, we get a braided Type-C cable. I mean, that's a big upgrade from previous. We get the standard lightning and we got some cheap cable, but this time we get this braided cable. Like if you had the new iMacs or Thunderbolt cables, you get that nice braided cable, which I really love. So that's a nice touch to see that. But yeah, let's have a look at the phone itself. So this is the black version. It comes in 4 different colors. You've got the black, the silver, the natural. Then you have the blue. You have the dark blue. I just forgot about the dark blue. But yeah, you have 4 different colors, and of course you can get it in the Max as well. But this is the Pro. Looks really nice. Let's peel this off. So satisfying. That is nice. But yeah, new with the 15, of course, like I said, Type-C. And this year the Pro lineup gets a action button. So previously you didn't have action button, you had the standard mute switch. So on the Pro lineup you get an action button, because on the standard you have a mute switch as well. But the Pro lineup has a action button, and you can program that to do anything you like. You get some few standard options like your ring, focus mode, alarm, camera, stuff like that, but you can program to anything you want, opening apps, anything. You can go endless there, which is really nice. On the top, nothing. By the side, we've just got the power button. As I said, it looks really nice. So yeah, the color looks really nice, and of course, we do have the titanium frame going around. It looks really nice, I have to say. Compared to the previous one where we had the stainless steel. And of course this one is scratched up. You see, it's totally different. You have this more mute finish, and the glass itself is really nice as well. But yeah, this titanium looks really great. So of course it's going to be lighter as well as stronger, so that's a plus, I would say. But I feel like it's nice. And of course this year Apple has actually made the edges on both sides more curvier. It's It's going to be very difficult to see, but if you look really carefully, it's more curved. That feels much nicer in the hand as well. Because if I bring the 15 here, as you can see, that's much harsh, more edgy feel, but this one is more soft. And just looking at the color difference on the back, you don't see much, but as soon as you turn on the side, you see a huge difference. I don't feel like it feels lighter, but the edges just, I don't know, there's something nice with them. It just feels really great. I like it. That's nice. But yeah, let's just bring the new neutral color. For the first time, Apple is not making a gold color, but they have this natural titanium finish, which looks, I don't know, still not digging it, but it's there. Boy, here's a comparison, as you can see. Oh, I think I like the black one more. Maybe I should have got for the blue one, but let's see which one I go for. You got titanium, you got the black, you got the blue, as well as the standard white or silver finish, you want to call it. But yeah, this is just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro in black. Of course, I'm going to have a full review of this phone on my channel, as well as accessories, cases, a lot of different stuff. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done that, do that. And of course, as always, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.